my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Happy Thanksgiving. This is day 24 of my NEWvember challenge. It's Thanksgiving Day. So if you'd like to see what I eat today, come on along and watch this video. Okay, I got all my food in the car. I am leaving. Hopefully, I'll make it safely. My turkey is right next to me. I'm gonna go cook it over my niece's. There's my riding buddy. A turkey, gobble gobble. I have not eaten breakfast. I only have an iced coffee so far this morning, and I probably will not eat anything till the big dinner. So we'll keep you informed during the day what goes on. We had some vegetarian stuffing. I stuffed celery, olives, cranberry sauce, Waldorf salad, pistachio pineapple fluff. There's mashed potatoes, a vegetable pie. There is my gravy I made. The rolls. There is my stuffing, some carrots, corn. There's my sweet potato casserole, which is my favorite, and the broccoli casserole that I made. And then we had the turkey I roasted, and then we also had deep fried turkey that my brother made. And that was our Thanksgiving feast today. It was very good and a lot of work. So this was my Thanksgiving dinner plate. I had a little bit of everything, some turkey and stuffing with gravy, some Waldorf salad, broccoli casserole, cranberry sauce, some vegetable pie, sweet potato casserole, mashed potatoes, and my pistachio fluff I made, and it was good. I had a little bit more carrots, some stuffed celery, a little bit more turkey and stuffing, and sweet potato casserole. There was plenty of desserts to tempt me. There was cherry squares and chocolate chip cookies, pumpkin rolls, some desserts that were store-bought, like strudels, cheese strudels, apple strudels, peanut butter cookies. There was a homemade cheesecake and a lemon meringue pie. Lots of food. And there is my apple pie and pumpkin pie that I bought at Costco. So there's my dessert plate. I had a quarter piece of each of apple pie, pumpkin pie, and lemon meringue. They were good. It was a taste, and that's all I had of the desserts. So that's going to be the end of today's What I Eat in the Day video for Thanksgiving. It is day 24 of my November accountability challenge. I don't think I did too bad today. I only did eat one meal and desserts. I used 33 points for dinner, 11 points for dessert, and had an iced coffee for 1 point. So that ended the day with 45 points. And it was a tough 2 days of cooking, but I felt I did pretty good because I just went over my regular points and used a little bit of my weekly. I hope all of you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving day. Please comment below on if you tracked your food or just ate whatever you want. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.